Hi.
Could you draw me the sea?
So first I'm gonna pick blue. The ocean is so big, bigger than the tallest mountain. There's too much of water.
يعني العميق عميق بتشوف ولا شيء.
Should I do the sun and the sky? Almost done.
And what is beneath?
I don't know. You can find fish, big rocks, seashells, small rocks,
والسفينة غارقة.
treasures. I don't know. I touched sharks. It feels slimy. Did you know that sharks move even when they sleep? I saw the penguins. The biggest penguin is the king penguin. It's about the size of me. I saw this really cool fish. It had patterns. They breathe like this. There are so many dolphins. They have one hole in the back so they can breathe. They spit water from there. The worst is so big and they use their mustache to look for food. تعرفين يوم أسد البحر حران يطلع يفرش معهم برا الماء عشان يبرد. And they do this. I'm not scared anymore of sharks. What? I need orange and yellow. Anything that is in the ocean is very colorful. I just love the creatures that live in there.
أحب البحر.
There's more to see.